Okay, now explain this to me. It's 2-2, right? They killed Fricky already. And here we go. They get smacked.
Good work, comrades. Get ready for the next
And now watch.
Switching sides. Search and destroy. Destroy the objective. You've secured the bomb.
Bang. Come on, man. Be for real. Come on. 3-2. 1 round left. And they're going to flood them. Come on. Be serious.
You're all that's left.
And they still get clutched on. Watch. Keep watching, keep watching.
Overtime. Search and destroy. They've secured the bomb. Complete the mission. You're the only one left. The bomb has been planted. Victory. Good work, comrades.
And guess who's allowed back in the game? Fricky. Come on, man. Be fucking serious.